You will do something like workshop. Yeah, but basically it's just a task for you to review the first of our meeting until the three, until the third of our meeting. Okay? You will complete all of the problems. Okay? I think you can share your screen from now, Askia.
Right.
Okay, Algonova. Oh, it's not YouTube, Askia. No, it's Algonova. Algonova. Okay, that's it. Mm-hmm.
Oh,
Yeah, it's lanjutkan. No, no, no.
wait.
You can proceed. Proceed. And then lanjutkan to no 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 below below oh you okay. I think this is for the advertising, Askia. I will give
Oh,
you
the wrong
the
one?
link. Yeah,
Maybe this one.
this one.
This one.
I send you
You.
from the WhatsApp.
Okay, wait. I what's wait.
Okay, from WhatsApp, Askia. Learn
Uh,
Algon. Okay, Algonova. Sign in Algonova. The first one. Sign in Algonova. Mm-hmm. Okay, now you can, yeah, enter your user ID. Did you remember, Askia?
no.
No?
It was
Oh,
in my mom's
okay, wait.
phone.
It's, where are you, Askia? Here we are. Askia, I will send to you in the chat Zoom maybe to make it easier. You can see on the chat Zoom, Askia. Askia 112 and password is 9931. Okay, nice. Okay,
Yay.
lesson 4. Okay, now let's talk about lesson 4. I will explain to you while, yeah, while you are doing the task. Okay, okay, Askia. Okay, I mean, yeah. Okay, mark the correct statements about the concise code. So, concise code basically is something like you can combine two opcodes in onto one line, just one line, like this, Askia. Yesterday we have talked about this, right? I have variable and name, and then I will use input function. Oh, it's not input function. Let's say I have variable, the name is age, and I will use input function, and then the statement is enter your age, like this. Okay? Oh, oh my God, you couldn't see my,
Yes.
yeah. Oh my God. I think I have to, okay Askia, I think I have to explain to you first. Saya lupa ya, Askia nggak bisa melihat. Ya, kayaknya saya harus jelasin dulu Askia. Oke?
Okay.
Oke, you can stop your screen. Now let's talk about concise code. What is concise code? You know what is concise, Askia, in Indonesia?
No.
No. Oke, concise it's ringkas. Oke? Kode ringkas.
What? Oh,
Yeah,
ringkas.
we'll talk about kode ringkas. today. Okay, what is that exactly? So previously, if you have learned about input function and then int, that function can be used to convert your data into integer data type. You will do something like this. If you have a task, the first one, you will create the variable name like this, maze1, and then you will use input function. And if you in here will input a number, you have to convert it like this, right? Askia, got it? Y- Yeah, I'm not sure you got it. Are you sure,
Yeah,
Askia?
but I think I remember last time we kind of learned about INT and input.
Oh, seriously?
Yeah.
Oh my
It's like
God.
the number thingy.
Oh my God.
Did we or not?
Yeah, so I will explain to it now, okay? Jadi input function is something apa ya bahasnya itu ini adalah sesuatu yang kita pakai untuk menginput data. Jadi dia bisa kita gunakan untuk menginput data. Jadi nanti seolah-olah variabelnya itu nilainya itu dinamis Askia. Saya akan contohkan ya penggunaan input function. Jadi ini di sini lesson 4. Aha, ini Askia. Nah, di sini ya, ini saya hapus. Nah, okay, let's say I will create a code in here and then the name of the variable is age, okay? And then you do not want, okay, the age it's not dynamic, it's static. Artinya apa? Age-nya itu ya 17 misalnya, gitu ya. Nah, kalau input function tuh kita bisa menulisnya kapan saja. Maksudnya begini, I will use input function and then the statement say enter your age like this. Nah, kemudian apa yang akan terjadi ketika saya memprint age? Ini yang akan terjadi Askia. Kita disuruh untuk memasukkan sesuatu dulu. Nah, gitu. Oke? Ulangi.
Ya kayak kuesioner gitu.
Iya, kayak kuesioner gitu. Nah, kita loh, ini kok ngebug.
Kita terakhir kali belajar ini sih, bukan yang string. String itu yang sebelumnya lagi.
String itu sebelumnya, iya. Sebelum ke sini harus ada string dulu.
Ya,
Eh, string belum ya kalau gitu?
udah sih.
Oke, udah ya. Ya, Kak pikir udah sih string. Oke, nah ini nanti Azkia kan kayak di sini nggak menaruh angka loh di sini, tapi dia bilang enter your age. Ketika Azkia memasukkan 17, kemudian tekan enter, oke print age. Ini misalnya kita tambahkan your age is count, age. Nah, ini dia berapapun yang kita masukkan. Jadi dia kayak dinamis gitu Azkia. Oke? Tidak satu nilainya gitu, tergantung apa yang kita masukkan waktu itu. Oke? Got it? That's input
Yes.
function. Now, because the input function will produce string, di mana kita mengetahuinya? Ini nanti kalau Azkia bilang print tipe data dari age ini apa, dia akan bilang begini, string atau itu tipenya huruf. Oke? Meskipun yang kita masukkan angka. Artinya apa? Input function itu selalu memproduksi tipe data yang bertipe string. Meskipun angka yang kita masukkan, apapun lah, dia akan memproduksi ke dalam string. Nah, sekarang ketika kita melakukan operasi dengan stringnya, misalnya h2 is equal to input juga, Askia, seperti ini. Ini kan kita nggak perlu tahu ya tipe datanya, karena udah tahu. The second age. The second age colon. Nah, kemudian saat Askia bilang total is equal to H1, H plus H2. What will happen, Askia? Could you guess? Misalnya nanti saya memasukkan 40 dan 50 umurnya total. Nah, di sini saya memasukkan 40, yang pertama, yang kedua 50. Apa yang akan terjadi, Askia? Totalnya berapa? Could you guess?
Kalau nggak salah 40 tambah 50 kan?
Iya, berapa?
Bukan bukan 90 tapi apa ya? Berapa ya
Oh
waktu
ya
itu?
berarti udah ngerti ya. Ya, oke, benar ya, di combine jadinya 40 lima
Oh
puluh gitu.
iya.
Ya, jadi
Oh
di
iya gini
combine
gini
ya.
gini.
Karena tipenya string. It means we need to convert the types of this data into a number. Right, Askia? Right? Nah, kemudian cara mengkonversinya gimana? We have to use int function.
INT.
Int and then h1. Like this. And then h2 is equal to int h2. Like this. It means that now 40 and 50, it will produce, oops, I'm so sorry. 40 and 50, it will produce, oh my God. Oh, it's H1. So sorry. 40 and 50, it will produce 90. Like that, Askia. Okay? What concise code wanna tell you is you can combine these two rows, Askia. Jadi dua baris ini sebenarnya bisa dibuat lebih ringkas. Caranya gimana? Nah, caranya seperti ini Askia. Askia tinggal tulis keduanya dalam satu variabel kayak biasa. Kemudian tulis yang paling awal dulu ingin dilakukan yaitu input. This is my age. Nah, kemudian apa? Saya ingin mengkonversinya ke angka. Jadi Askia tinggal blok, kurung, lalu bilang int. Nah, gitu Askia. Jadi concise code itu berbicara dari dua baris itu menjadi satu baris seperti ini. Ternyata ini enggak error. Gitu. Oke? Float atau string. Nah, aturannya adalah Askia ketika melihat kode yang bersarang namanya atau nested code, you have to read it from the ya apa namanya? Yang paling dalam, bukan dari yang paling luar. Maksudnya apa? Yang dijalankan pertama kali itu bukan int-nya Askia, tapi ini dulu nanti. Oke, saya harus menginput sesuatu habis itu dikonversi ke integer. Oke? Got it?
Ya.
Oke. That's about concise code. Sesingkat itu, ya. Oke. Yang kedua, nah ini dia contohnya. Apa saja yang dapat disarankan? Nah, kode-kode, bukan kode, fungsi-fungsi yang dapat disarankan adalah fungsi yang mengembalikan nilai. Apa itu? Kita akan berbicara ini lebih dalam nanti di modul 3. Tapi kalau Askia perhatikan, tahu ini Askia, ini fungsi untuk ngapain?
Aduh
Eh,
lupa.
this is for determine the length of the character.
Oh oh
Oke,
iya
ya.
lem.
Untuk menentukan panjang atau banyaknya karakter di dalam suatu string. Misalnya nama Azkia. Azkia. Nah, ini ketika saya run, nggak terjadi apa-apa. Error nggak? No, enggak ya. Nah, yang terjadi behind the scene di belakang layarnya Azkia, dia sebenarnya memproduksi jumlah karakter yang ada di nama ini. Tapi nggak ditampilkan. Karena fungsi yang memprint out, mencetak ke layar itu adalah print itu sendiri. Nah, gitu. Artinya apa? Fungsi yang secara tidak langsung apa namanya menampilkan di layar itu adalah fungsi yang mengembalikan nilai. Artinya apa? Dia dapat disarangkan. Oke? Nah, tetapi jangan coba-coba nanti menyarankan print Askia. Askia iseng lah gitu ya, print-print gitu. Nah, itu nggak bisa Askia. Why? Because print it's not returning a value, oke? Dia tidak mengembalikan nilai, tapi dia hanya menampilkannya sekali doang. Oke? Got it ya? Oke. Think that's all. Now the second one, I wanna talk about pernah nggak ya saya berbicara apa namanya? Comment Askia, comment,
Komen yang
you know
yang
comment?
pada pagar kah?
Yeah. Okay, I think you have heard about that. So, aduh, laptop. Nah, ini dia bentuknya Askia. Jadi dari 6 baris bisa menjadi 3 baris begitu. Bentar Askia, mana dia? Nah, yang kedua itu saya ingin berbicara tentang komen. Nah, Kemarin udah saya jelasin bener kan? Atau belum?
Yes. Yang untuk untuk ini nggak sih untuk eh, supaya nggak
Mana?
bekerja dulu gitu.
Iya, dia nggak akan dibaca oleh interpreter.
Ya,
Betul
ya.
sekali. Oke, I
Oh,
think that's
ternyata
all.
komen. Gue kira komen yang COMMAND.
No, no. Oh yeah, I'm so sorry. My pronunciation is
Oh, no, no,
really
no.
bad, Askia.
I
Oke.
often misheard it.
Oke, Askia, jadi nanti kalau Askia jadi seorang modinya programmer, kemudian disuruh komen, berarti itu bukan berkomentar ya. Cukup diam saja, oke. Mode saya programmer soalnya. Saya cukup kasih tanda tagar saja, hashtag saja. Oke, Askia, I think that's all about the review, Askia. Now you can continue your work. Okay, you got it?
Yes.
Okay, I will of course guide you. Let's go.
Is this is this like the shorter you explain about INTN input being in
Uh,
one sentence?
yeah, the code can be made shorter by using nested constructs. That's exactly right. And then the second one is you need to keep a balance between shortening the code and its readability. Meaning that Askia nanti kalau misalnya Askia itu maunya memang concise banget lah kodenya, ringkas banget. Nah, tetapi timnya Azkia atau orang yang Azkia, rekan kerjanya Azkia itu sampai nggak tahu maksudnya apa. Itu juga nggak boleh ya. Maksudnya apa? Keterbacaan kode itu juga perlu dipertimbangkan dengan apa namanya? Ya meskipun kode kita ringkas, tapi kalau keterbacaannya sangat kurang, itu bukan sesuatu hal yang bagus gitu. Oke, jadi harus seimbang antara keduanya. Oke, oke.
Okay.
And then programmers believe that the shorter the code, the better it is. I don't believe that. I don't know. You, Askia, how about you?
Katanya balance.
Oh yeah, yeah. You got a point. Okay.
Okay.
Next,
Kalau
in
it's
con
ya kan embed embed
embed,
apa ini?
it's like a nested. You can apa ya? Kita dapat menempatkan gitu, menempatkan B di dalam A di dalam B gitu. Maksudnya itu
Bisa
kayak,
sih.
iya,
Yang kayak tadi kan INT dalam kurung input gitu kan.
iya betul.
Should I return do not return values that can be nested in each other? Eh apa ya nggak
Oke.
paham yang terakhir statementnya.
Statementnya nggak paham, Askia.
Yang
Bentar.
kayak print dalam kurung print gitu kan.
Iya, exactly. Jadi itu tidak bisa ya, Askia. Jadi harus yang tok mengembalikan nilai. Tidak bisa print di nested kan. No, it can't be. No, no, it's wrong.
Oh, oke.
Yeah. Okay. Do you have question, Askia? You look
Hmm.
uh, not really understand and you look confused, Askia. Do you have question? It's okay in
Yang
Indonesia.
mengembalikan nilai itu maksudnya gimana sih maksudnya?
Yang tadi, ketika Askia codingkan eh apa namanya len, kemudian nama Askia, itu nggak memproduksi error kan? Betul? Maksudnya
Ya.
ketika belum ada printnya. Jadi Askia tok bilangnya len tanda petik Askia. Saat di run itu nggak terjadi apa-apa. Nah, tetapi sebenarnya ada terjadi sesuatu di antara interpreternya. Itu di alam bawah sadar. Wih, di alam bawah sadar. Ya, pokoknya itu behind the scene banget lah, Askia. Oke. Nah, kemudian kalau Azkia nggak memprint input pun, itu nggak akan terjadi apa-apa juga. Nanti kita contohkan. Oke?
Oke.
Oke.
Oh, mana ya underscore?
Azkia, Azkia. Mana dia underscore?
Mana ya? Gak nemu-nemu. Ini, oh ya. My God. Loh, as.
Oke, Azkia. Iya, apa no?
Oh my God.
What's happening?
Pegal.
Pegal?
Yes. Because my neck is bending down to see the keyboard up close.
Azkia, Azkia.
Mister di ITB kah masih?
No, it's not P, it's P, Azkia. Bukan T
Huh?
ya, tapi P.
Oh, IPB.
Iya, IPB. No, no, I'm
Oh,
not. Saya kemarin mudik, Azkia. Jadi sekarang masih di kampung. Mhm.
masih.
Iya. Dan kita kebetulan time zone-nya sama, jadi ya lebih mudah gitu.
Oh. Leave a review about the trip. Really terrible. Review land. Search for negativity. Aduh, lupa pula negativity itu yang mana.
It's just about find
Oh,
something. Find something, Azkia. Meaning that in the example, as you can see, it's really terrible. So the word terrible is from the index 7. That's what the picture state. Okay, and then the length of the review is 15. Now the question is,
okay.
could you please tell me, Askia, how to do that?
Uh, Wait, let me think, let me think.
Okay, yeah, yeah, sure. Take your time.
Wait, wait, wait. Then,
Oh my God, what's happening, Askia?
oh,
So, what should you add inside the parentheses, Askia? Learn it something inside the parentheses.
oh,
What will you add? What will you put? Are you sure about that? Yeah. Yeah, I will explain because you wanna no, it's not terrible. Okay. Yeah, it's also it won't produce an error, but that's not right. Why? Because you wanna
oh, wait,
yeah,
I forgot how to use it.
learn
Learn.
the learn you wanna find out how many the character on the feedback, right, Azkia? So you just need to say learn feedback, okay? Because you will add something from the
Oh,
input function, right? Without quotation mark, without quotation mark. Because feedback is variable in line in the first line. Okay? You got it? My point?
yes, yes. I
Okay,
just
how
forgot
oh
it,
okay,
like
okay.
the things.
Yeah, yeah, okay.
I should have like wrote it something.
Okay, how about the second one as yeah, number four. I mean, line four. What's wrong in that code? Okay, let's see. You're thinking,
This
right?
one?
Yeah, yeah, that one as yeah. Okay, you can run your code. Boom. Oh, it's not really terrible. Hit enter.
Oh, no, no.
Hit enter. No, no, no. Hit enter on there. Diklik dulu yang tadi. Kemudian ketik. Nah, Repulon is 15. That's right. Name fine is not defined, Askia. So, meaning that what is fine? I don't know. What do you mean, Askia?
Oh,
Yeah.
I, what is the command again? I forget. Is it fin?
No, no, it's right, fine. But you miss something. From where? Dari mana dia menemukan kata terrible? You have to add feedback dot, right? In front of fine. Aha. Feedback dot. Nah, ini artinya apa?
Oh, like this?
Ya, saya
Oh,
ingin menemukan kata terrible di dalam feedback. But the terrible is not variable, Askia. So you have to add quotation on there. I mean, on the terrible, the word terrible. I'm so sorry. I don't terrible.
Mister, I think I forgot about the quotation mark thingy.
Oh,
What does it like? The
yeah.
function of it.
If you add quotation mark, it means that you wanna find out the word. But without quotation, it means that the word is variable. Okay?
Oh, okay.
Okay.
Variable like this on this
Yeah, like feedback.
column.
So
Yeah.
as you can see in line three, as here, learn feedback. The feedback, could you see?
Yeah.
Yeah, I mean, it doesn't need quotation, right? Because it's
Yeah.
variable. Okay? If you add quotation on there, It means that you want to find out the length of the word feedback. It's not the value. Oke? Jadi kalau ditambahkan quotation, Askia hanya ingin mencari berapa panjang karakter kata feedback ini. Nah, kalau ada seperti itu berarti, oke, saya ingin mencari tahu berapa panjang karakter yang ada di dalam variabel feedback. Nah, feedback itu kan nilainya menggunakan fungsi input. Nanti Askia memasukkan relate variable. Ya udah, itu berarti dihitung gitu. Nilainya yang dihitung. Tapi kita taruh dalam variabel. You got it? I'm
Yes.
not sure.
Uh, Let me see in the
Oke.
future.
Oke. Oke. That's so visioner, Askia. Oke. Oke. I think you can yeah.
Oh,
Anything.
again.
The word is anything, Askia. You can
Oh,
also write your name. If the code is right, you can write anything in the yeah. What is rain? Who is rain? Okay,
wait,
there
wait.
is okay. There is no who is Rene Tense? Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
No.
Okay. Rene Amagi. Oh yeah. Yeah, I have hit enter. Hit enter Askia.
Oh
On
yeah.
there, yeah. Aha. So there is no Rene Amagi there. It's 17 ya. Panjangnya 17 tadi ya. Panjang tulisan itu. Coba lihat, Mas Kia. Oh, 29. Kemudian ada ternyata kata terrible itu nggak ada ya. Minus soalnya. Oke, jadi Rine ama itu nggak ada keterribelan. Oke, mantap lah ya. Parah banget. Oke, next Askia. Oke, now optimize the code, Askia. Oke, optimize the program so that it has less than 6 lines. Oke, how you will do that, Askia?
Lugage.
Luggage. Okay, how, Askia? Yeah, take your time. Okay, take your time.
Price human.
I don't know. I don't know what's the meaning of that, Askia. Yeah.
Price human. Wait, what?
Aduh.
What is wrong with this? There's.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. It consists of 8 lines, Askia. So you have to make it concise, and then the code should be less than 6 lines. You just need to change it. You do not need to add something else.
Like there's something wrong in here.
Yes. Oh no, no, there is no something wrong in here, but as you can see, it's until line 8, right, Askia?
Yes.
And then the statement wanna say that, oh, Askia, could you please change the code, and then the code should be less than 6 lines. Jadi
Oh,
harus
shorter.
be shorter or concise. Now how to do that, Askia?
Oh no.
Oh no? Yeah, it's yes, yeah.
Wait, is it like this?
You're right about it.
So should I comment this
No, you can remove it.
or just remove it?
Yeah, because it's doesn't it's not necessary. Uh-huh, like that.
Okay. Is this uh bisa diisi apa aja apa harus sama?
Yang mana? Ya, bisa diisi
Yes.
apa aja kok. Tapi kalau integer tuh it should be number, Askia ya. Karena
Yes.
angka kan nggak bisa diubah ke number ya. Nanti Askia memasukkan nama Askia nggak bisa ya. Askia itu tetap huruf soalnya.
Karena itu bukan INT gitu kan ya?
Yep, exactly. Luggage, price human. Well, you're joking, right?
Yes.
Price human.
Nah, samain aja deh. Bingung gua.
Yeah, you can hit 111, Askia. Okay, 111 to make it faster.
Oke.
Hit enter. Aha.
Yay. Uh, 90. Okay. Oh, it's 20 minutes more left. Write a program calculates the efficiency rating of a trainee programmer. Uh, wait, does input need print?
Askia, you can try it, Askia. Input, okay, and then input, uh, write your name. Let's say the statement, write your name.
Hmm.
Oops. Write your name. And then you can run your code. What will happen? There is no
Oh,
something happen, Askia. Yeah, I mean, you can put your name. Aha. There is no the output, right? Askia? But there is no error. Also, there is no error. Why? Because, yeah, it's returning a value, but it couldn't display the value. So you need to print out the input function. But simply you have to assign it in a variable aja. Tulis saja variable namanya jangan human price lagi tapi ya. Name maybe. Name is equal to input write your name.
no.
No? Yeah,
No.
it should be there is no quotation on there. Because it's variable. Okay. Now you can look kick. Okay.
Okay.
Like that. Okay? Got it? Okay, you got it. I think you got it. Okay.
Wait, do I need to like if it's two variable, should I
Yeah,
put a comma?
sure.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay.
Okay.
Oh,
No, what's happening?
no.
Okay.
Very nice.
Meaning that you have to add three variables on there, Askia.
Yes. Number of required tasks. Mister, I need help.
Okay, the first one, Alkia, because the task is a number, so you need to convert it directly into integer, right?
Oh,
Okay.
cara poin-poinnya gimana,
Point,
Mister?
point. Yeah. Now you have to, mm, yeah, you should say that the total is equal to, because task one, just like the mandatory task, so you need to multiply it by 15, right? Askia? It means
Oh,
that task one multiply by, uh-huh, and then the task two.
is it like this? Or
Yeah, like that. Exactly.
no text, not text. Is
Plus,
it with space
yeah,
or not?
plus task two times 20, right? Askia?
Wait, can I put name here or not?
No, no. You just,
Oh,
yeah, because it's not a number, right, Askia? The name it's not a number, it's string.
Okay.
You got it?
Yes.
Okay. Total. E. Wow, 55. Are you human? Asking. It's not human,
Um.
right? Askia, it's not
Yes.
human for 55 tasks.
Wait. It has no efficiency.
Oh yeah, you just need to print it. So print name, comma, quotation mark, dash efficiency, comma, total. Like that. You got it? The idea?
Like this.
Yep. Oh, you forgot the dash. Tanda
The what?
tanda hubungnya. Dash. Iya. No, 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 no. Before the efficiency, but inside the quotation. Yeah, like that. No, no, no. In front, exactly in front the efficiency. Aha, like in there, on there.
What is dash?
Dash is tanda strip, tanda
This one?
minus lah, tanda
Oh
minus.
no no.
Nah, space. Okay, and then
Oh,
quotation. Oops, comma. Exactly, Askia. Exactly.
I didn't know this thing.
This what?
Dash.
Dash? Oh yeah.
I never
How?
never learned how to use it.
Oh, jarang-jarang. Jarang, dash jarang, right? Dua kata yang sama. Layang-layang. Harus ada dashnya dong. Kata hubungnya. Betul? Stripnya. Betul, orang-orang, Askia. Kalau dua kali dimension. Orang-orang.
Yeah,
Ya.
I mean
Mhm.
in
Oh, in
programming.
programming. Iya, it's rare, but it's necessary, Askia.
What is it? What is that for?
Minus sign, it's right. Yeah, we will use dash just to make sure that like you wanna create a list, as Kia. List kan kadang kita pakai titik, bisa juga pakai strip-strip gitu
Yeah.
untuk list.
But
Iya.
what is it for in here?
Oh, based on the picture. You can see the picture. Could you see, Askia? Aha.
Oh, yeah, it has
Yeah.
this. Oh,
Oh yeah. Yeah, yeah.
okay, okay. My bad, my bad.
No, no, no. It's just ya humanity aja ya. Nggak apa-apa kok.
Yay. Oh, two more.
Two
How
more.
do you like internship?
How do you like? Oh yeah. No, I don't like internship. If you
No,
ask me,
no, no.
like
Okay, now what?
now, yeah, maybe you can say like or how. Okay. How do you like internship, Askia? Do you like internship, Askia?
What is internship?
Magang.
Oh, I don't know. I never did that before.
Oh yeah. You have to try that.
But it's like in SMK, right?
Oh ya, pemerintah kita harus tamat kuliah ya. Saya nggak setuju sih.
Okay.
You have to try from now aja because magang itu you will implement the real knowledge ya. Jadi Askia akan melihat yang saya pelajari A, kasusnya A pangkat 3 ternyata ya, gitu. Customnya luar biasa. A pangkat 3 belum dikalikan B itu. Padahal yang saya pelajari A doang loh gitu.
Hmm.
That's why kedokteran itu sesuatu hal yang sangat-sangat susah Askia. Karena mereka belajar dan saat terjun tuh belum tentu sama loh. Iya, makanya saya ambil matematika aja deh gitu. Do you like medicine?
Design?
Medicine? I mean
Oh,
medicine.
manis. Oh,
Mhm.
not really.
Not really. So, what do you like, Azkia? I mean, for your, I just think about my students, when they apa namanya, memasuki Algonova. Ada yang inginnya bekerjanya di ini kemarin, di Google targetnya, because they wanna be a part of Google, software engineer di Tesla gitu. Ya.
Wow.
How about you, Azkia? You wanna be hacker?
I just wanna be myself, like. Missing for the word boring. Gimana sih ini maksudnya?
Very cool. Print how? Okay, you're right. Oh
Eh,
no, Askia. It should be print review length colon comma learn how, like that.
like what, Mister? Sorry.
Wait, I will remote you maybe. I mean like this, Askia. Print, and then I know the statement say review length because this is not a variable, Askia. And then I should add the length of my variable like this.
Oh,
Okay? And then print. Okay, finding the clause colon. And then I have to, what you want to say? The word boring. So from how I need to find out this word boring. Okay? And then lastly, search for advantage. So the word cool, meaning that I have to print search, oops, search for advantage, colon, comma, and then, oh no, from how I need to find out the word cool. Okay, like that, Askia. You got it? Do you have
yes.
question
Okay.
for me? It's okay. Wajar
It's
kok ya.
actually
Mhm.
I get it when you wrote it, but I cannot
Implement it. Yeah, yeah,
applicate
yeah.
it. Yeah,
Yeah,
and
yeah.
it's hard
I feel you. Yeah.
unless like I practice 10 times and then I get it, like or I used to it, and I'm not still not used to it.
So it means that you need to do more practice, right,
Yes.
Askia? You know, Askia, I wanna tell you something. My specialization is machine learning,
Oh.
but you know, ketika orang ini fakta ya. Jadi ada course kemarin yang saya ambil itu targetnya kan orang tuh 2 sampai 3 bulan selesai ya. Nah, tapi saya menyelesaikannya itu dalam waktu 1 tahun
Oh,
ternyata. Nah, kenapa? Saya itu orangnya ya sama ya. Awal-awal masuk coding itu saya nggak bisa kayak ketika dijelaskan, paham nih. Tapi kenapa soalnya lebih susah ya? Aneh sekali. Ini kayak kayak di matematik. Nah, itu hampir ya apa namanya? Statement Askia tadi, saya itu mengulanginya hampir 10 kali baru bisa benar-benar masuk gitu. Ulangi praktis, lagi diulangi. Pokoknya sampai lebih malah 1 tahun saya apa melakukan course-nya. Gitu Askia. But I like it. So I think yeah it's the right path. Gitu Askia.
sama sih, saya kan juga suka menggambar. Pasti harus
Mhm.
diulangi terus supaya bagus gitu kan. Hmm.
Oh, 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 oh.
Tapi
Mhm. Oh, tapi
apa ya, coding ini bukan satu yang saya sukai kayaknya deh.
okay, I got you. Okay, okay, I see that. Askia.
Meskipun bagus sih kayak mengasah pemikiran gitu. Wih,
Okay, Askia. You can run your code.
yes. Oh. Determine which programs are written correctly and which are not. Uh, I guess.
Yeah, it there is no error for the first one.
Really?
Yeah, no errors. The second one is also yeah, it will be produce an error, and then there is no error for that. Askia.
What is F?
F is
The,
variable.
okay.
There
Find it.
is there is no error, and then
Like
yeah, it there is no error also, and then the other it will produce an error.
print len
Mhm.
because why? Oh,
Because number it's not
the quotation.
it's not like string ya. Number is just number. Itu adalah satu karakter. Jadi nggak perlu dicari lennya gitu.
Oh,
Ya, it's different from string. Oke.
kalau pakai quotation
Yeah, it means
jadi
that it's not a number, it's string data type.
oh, wait. Len print. Okay, this is
Also, yeah.
this.
Mhm. Oke, Asia.
Yay.
Congratulations for you.
Oh my God.
Okay, Asia, I think I have to leave
Oh yeah,
because
2 minutes.
yeah, no, it's
Lebihan
not
loh.
because like that I will teach the other course. I'm so sorry,
Oh,
Asia.
okay.
I'm so sorry, yeah. Okay.
Thank you so much, Mister.
No, no problem. This is my
Eh,
task. Okay.
Selamat
Okay,
mengajar
Asia.
lagi.
Sampai jumpa.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.